5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left 8, 30, right 7. Into, left 9, tighten 6. Be right 7 to left 9, tighten 6. 80. Tighten 6, 80. Right 7 up, 50. IC left 5. IC left 5. Into. Right 5 over crest. Into. Left 8 tightens 4. Late, don't cut. Or be left 8 tightens 4 late, don't cut. 30. Right 8 up. Into right 8 over crest. 30. Be right 8 up into right 8 over crest. 30. Right 8 extra, extra long, stay in. Be right 8 extra, extra long, stay in. And left 9, 50. Left 9, 50. Crest, 20. Left 6, don't go wide. Into right 8 ends at crest down. And left 7 opens into left 6. Left 6, 100. Left 8, 50 up. Right 8 over crest, line 100. Right 9, 80. Right 8 into left 5. Right 8 into left 5. Into right 8. Left 5 here. Into right 8. 30. Left 5 over crest. Repeat, left 5 over crest. 50. Right 4. Into left 9 tightens 5 over bump. Repeat, left 9 tightens to 5 over bump. Into right 6 cut.
Still a section.
Yeah. Right over crest into right 6 off camber here. 30. Stay mid over crest into left 8 tightens 6 down. Repeat, left 8 tightens 6 down and left 8. 30. Right 4 stay in. Up into left 7 ends over crest. Left 7 ends over crest. 30. Crest down into right 6. Right 6 here. 30. Left 5. 50. Left 7 off camber over jump. 50. Left 7 off camber over jump. Line 80. Left 9. Into right 8 up, tightens the slippy 7 over crest. Be right 8 up, tightens the 7 slippy over crest. Into left 5 long, opens the 7 long, tightens the 6. Be left 5 long, opens the 7 long, and tightens the 6 late. And keep mid over big crest down, left 7. Into right 7, tightens the 6. 50. Left 8 long, tightens the 5 late at junction. Left 8 long, tightens the 5 late here. 80. Gas, okay, it's okay, we got it. All good. Go forward and back up over there. Yep. 80. Stay left over crest, the right 5 don't cut. Or stay left over crest, the right 5 don't cut, into left 6. 50. Right 7 tightens the 6, stay in. Or right 7 tightens the 6, stay in. Into. Left 5 long opens. 80. Line. Right 7 late.
Opens late, the left 5.
Opens late. Right 7 late. Into left 7 long, tighten 6. Left 7 long, tighten 6. 30. Right 5 opens long. Or right 5 opens long. Into left 8 plus long, tightens the 6. Or be left 8 plus opens long, tightens the 6, excuse me. 30. Right 7 long, tightens the 3 late. Tightens the 6 here, then 30. Right 7 long, tightens the 3 late. Right 7 long, tightens the 3 late. 80. Right 6, cut late. 50. Left 8 long, tightens the 7 late. Left 8 long, tightens the 7 late. Line 50. Left 8 up long. Left 8 up long. 50. left 8, and right 7 through finish. Okay, left 8 here, and right 7 through finish. Crest, keep mid over crest down, right 8. Okay.